Guys, going on? It's Adam Roski, St. Martial Arts Academy. Guys, listen to We Don't Play. It's done by a good friend of mine, Ricky Santiago. Alright guys, so from right here I'm going to show you a kick today. It's called a whip kick. Okay, you can do it off front leg, back leg, jump switch kicks. You know what? It's a real great kick, guys, so I want you to pay attention to it. It's kind of like a front kick, kind of like a front kick and a crest kick kind of put together. Alright, so from right here, I'm just in a fighting stance, maybe my right leg's forward, left leg, doesn't really matter. All I'm going to do from right here is I'm going to pick up the leg. Okay, my knee's going to be pointed outward. Okay, my foot's going to be down here with my instep, top part of my foot. So I extend it. Okay, I could go to midsection, I could go up high, just depends where I want to go. Right now for demonstration, we go nice and slow, I'm going to go to the midsection. So right here, I lean back a little bit, okay, bring it up, okay, just like this, angle it out, okay, kick the stomach, retract it, put it back down again. Okay, once again, bring it up, kick it, put it back down again. Okay, from here I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher, okay, and a little bit faster. So remember, my knees got to come up higher, a little above my belt line, okay, so my leg can come up higher as well. Back up a little bit, from right over here, I kind of come up and kind of whip it up to the face a little bit. Okay, once again, from right over here, I just kind of whip it up to the face a little bit. Okay, I'll try to go a little slow if I can. Okay, from right over here, come right up, I whip it to the face a little bit. Okay, now from here I'm going to do this kick a little bit faster, okay, so you can see it. You know, I like using this when I'm sparring, when I'm moving around, okay, but I would definitely use it in a real situation because, you know what, hit him in the breadbasket, you know what, it's going to cause him to lean right over, and at the end of this, I'm going to show you what the whip kick is set up with different combinations and different punches towards the end. So from right here, guys, all I'm going to do, the front leg, once again, whip it up. Move a little bit this way. A little high. Yes, good. Now from here, guys, I'm just going to do the same kick. Okay, I'm just going to bring it off my back leg. A little more power. Okay, once again, it's a pretty fast kick. People see it coming because it's off your back leg, but it's more power kick. So you got to decide whether you know, you want more power, you know, you want more power, or you want, you know, a little bit quicker. But either way, it's a fast kick. So I'm going to use a little power off my back leg. I'm going to come straight up this way. Okay, knees pointing this way, foot down, point your toe though. Okay, you don't want to bend your toes back like front kick, point your toe, heel with the instep, top part of your foot. Okay, the bony part from right here. Okay, stomach. From right here, guys, I bring it up, angle it to stomach. Right here, I bring it up, stomach. Okay, one more time slow. Bring it up, lean back. Okay, hips go pelvic, hips and pelvic kind of go up a little bit. Okay, strike. Okay, a little faster. From right over here. Sit. 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 Good. Now from here, guys, I'm going to do a jump switch whip kick. So all I'm going to do from right here, guys, is I'm going to switch my legs. So right now I'm moving around with somebody, and all of a sudden I switch my feet. He or she has no clue what I'm going to do. I'm going to punch, I'm going to throw with this foot, I'm going to throw this, they have no clue. And all of a sudden I come back, and when I come back, you know, my hips kind of move back, my body mechanics go, and then when I go forward, just if I was doing like a jump switch knee strike, he brings more power to that whip kick. So from right here, I'm forward, all I do is I go back, as soon as I hit that ground, I spring forward and whip kick again. Right here, I go back for the switch. Okay, don't go too far back and don't make it some big crazy, you know, jump. Just right here, just switch feet, whip it out. Right, move around. Okay, if I'm moving, you know, if I'm moving, they're thinking. Okay, they're not sure, I'm keeping them confused. And all of a sudden I switch my feet, real confused, and come back with that whip. Think I'm taking it out of the game, and I bring it right back at me. So I move around from right over here, one more time slow. Okay, I switch, and then I whip. Come out this way. Okay, 2 times, a little bit quicker. So I'm moving around, I'm weaving, just move around, just. Okay, maybe I'm gonna angle this way. Okay, bob weave, maybe I do a block, switch, just. There you go, excellent guys, good. From right here, guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do a hop-in whip kick. So hop-in, what it's for is to kind of cover the distance. So I'm gonna back up even as much as I can here. Okay, so that person, you know, once again, they're at a distance, especially if they don't train or maybe they're not at a certain level, if it's a real situation. You know, the guy is just being a bully or just, you know what, just really kind of pushing my buttons and going way too far, just put his hands on me. You know, I feel like I'm in danger. You know, all of a sudden, you know, hands are going back and forth. And all of a sudden I have to kind of, you know what, gather some distance, okay? So right here, guys, I'm gonna hop right in, and before they know it, I'm right on top of them. And maybe the whip kick, I wouldn't go that hard, okay? I don't have to. Just wanna get my point across. So I go to midsection, from right here, and I come right in, whip kick. Once again, legs coming up this way, just like I did before, but instead of staying in place, okay, I'm from right here, doing a foot replacement, or hop in, whip kick. Whip kick. Switch my feet, same thing, hop right in. whip kick. Cover some distance. So sparring with somebody, with a competition, okay, we're at a meet, we're moving around, we got a little bit of distance, kind of bring the leg up, a little fake, and then whip kick. Okay, good. Now for you guys, what I want to do is, I want to play that song again by my boy Ricky Santiago, and I'm going to kind of throw some whip kicks, and then, you know, maybe jab crosses, you stretch something else I do after it. Okay, good. Ready? Take a deep breath. Spin, whip, back fist, back fist, whip. We'll get out of range there. We're good, yeah, ready? Back fist, spin, back fist, whip. You know, we'll reverse the backward whip kick, so defensive kick, but that's on the offense. So if I move around, person comes at me, hop back whip. Here's right here, hop back whip. Here's the name for it, jump switch, whip. Okay, good, boom, boom. Whip. Your stomach, boom. Hammer fist, spinning right over. The last one coming in with is gonna be a hop and whip, hop and switch whip, hop and knee strike. So right here, we're gonna do switch, hop and whip, switch, knee strike. Good. Okay guys, excellent. So that was the whip kick, guys. Make sure that you press like. Make sure that you guys hit subscribe. Tell your friends about Giant Power 91. I'll see everybody in the next video. And once again, thank you, Ricky Santiago, for a school song we don't play. Thank you, brother.